Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe After Effects for smooth motion graphics, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe After Effects for smooth motion graphics, start by ensuring you have a reliable internet connection. Next, go to the official Adobe website and navigate to the Creative Cloud section. If you don't have an Adobe account, you'll need to create one. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, find the After Effects product page. Select the option to download Adobe After Effects. Open the downloaded installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Adobe After Effects. Upon opening, you will be prompted to sign in again with your Adobe ID. Enter your credentials to activate the software. If you have a subscription, the software will automatically activate. If you are using a trial version, follow the on-screen instructions to start your free trial. After activation, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Configure your preferences by navigating to Edit and then Preferences. Adjust settings for performance optimization, such as memory and cache management. Make sure to enable GPU acceleration for smoother playback. Once your settings are configured, start a new project by clicking on New Project. Import your assets by going to File and selecting Import. Drag your assets into the timeline to begin working on your motion graphics. Utilize the composition settings to establish your desired frame rate and resolution. Experiment with keyframing and easing to create dynamic animations. Render your project by going to Composition and selecting Add to Render Queue. Choose your output settings and click on Render to finalize your work. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to activate Adobe After Effects and create smooth motion graphics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.